Hello everybody, how are you? I am Zef and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today's question is, which is true concerning the SQ rating? It is the same for all shoes coming from a particular factory, no matter where the shoes are sold. It does not matter where the shoes are manufactured. It is only the market's perception of quality that determines the SQ rating. CF and SQ rating are based entirely on the percent of superior materials used to make a shoe. A company may have as many as 8 different SQ ratings in air. None of the above are true concerning SQ ratings. The correct answer of the question is D option. So that the correct answer of the question, if you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.